Today, the first BJP municipality was formed in Warpoi. This is the first municipality to be formed by BJP in the history of Warpoi Municipal Council. Today, a new chairperson was elected, Mrs. Parveen Sheikh, who will be heading this BJP-led council. Initially, after the municipal elections, there were 8 councillors belonging to the Congress party and 2 to the BJP. But after Mr. Vishwajit Rane has joined the BJP, BJP has totally 10 council members, as 8 members supporting Mr. Vishwajit Rane have already joined the BJP when Mr. Vishwajit Rane joined the BJP. This is the first council and first BJP municipal council in Warpoi, headed by Parveen Sheikh, and this council will be working under the guidance and leadership of Mr. Manohar Parrikar and Mr. Vishwajit Rane for the betterment of Satri, for infrastructure development of Warpoi, and for the betterment of Warpoi, and will be carrying out all its activities under the guidance and leadership of Mr. Manohar Parrikar and Mr. Vishwajit Rane.